Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project PC Control with Eye Movement, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project which you will get to learn about while working on it. Here we demonstrate controlling a PC with your eye. This project is based on detecting right eye blinking, eye movement and translating this to control the GUI of the PC. The key components you will be working on are Raspbian OS with a pre-installed Python IDLE, OpenCV, Pinput and NumPy libraries are required. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.